Good morning, team Ismash. How is everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog, and this is part 2 to the construction of the staircase, and today is casting day. Start from bottom to top, cause you know gravity feeds down. Run for the Gaza. Yeah man, car can't drive up there, you know. Yeah man, I let you off a hill foot.
You have to well know.
But they are back on the casting. And earlier, the mason ended that cast the bottom step, since different up there, so under that throw the concrete down on a landing down there, so and we'd have to stop that because the aggregates them separate, and we never want that, so we'd have to send him back underneath here, so which is a longer walk down from where they were mixed the year, so and we got the ball rolling again. Don't think we can stay till then done because the whole of this, so I just pick up back tomorrow and continue with this vlog. Good morning again, team Ismash. Welcome to day 2 of constructing the step. In day 2 we have finished up the cast. By the way, we finished up the cast from yesterday and today. Basically I just cure and allow the staircase to be able to stand on its own, manage its own weight. I give time to hydrate and gain strength, you know, cure. So today now I got them finished, so then just leave it for, as I say, cure, hydrate, and we just go look on it and make sure say all is well. And if I have to give it a thumbs up, we give it a thumbs up. If I have to give it a thumbs down, well, I guess we have to do what we have to do. So let's go have a look on the staircase and let's judge. At first the guys did the columns, both columns, one down there, so one up here, so did the columns at first and then work our way onto the flights themselves. as well as the landing. So I don't know why this is what it is, but them for some strange reason never finish up on this landing. So we will get back to them with that. We will take a look on the shuttering material. You know, check if you see any seepage. Seepage mean weak point, you know. Look at your vastness down already. Seepage mean weak point, and we don't want none of that. So we just look and see if we see any seepage are gone. Especially in like a MIG-like plier, some big point would cause a massive seepage. I mean, weak point. Oh, we don't want that. So as you guys can see, this rough. So you need to dress. And then go out there. So you need to dress and, you know, fix up. Oh, and guys, when you not build something like this, it's very important for you to tie this landing, this platform into the building. So you fly some steel and hook it in a reinforcement within this landing. So yeah. And for all those who were asked, we already checked the measurements, because somebody commented on a video stating that why am I check after or something like that, and I'm not sure that part there because I know everybody want to be on video. So we check it. We have to check it, then give an instruction to cast. So check the reinforcement, check all of the farm work, and say alright, everything up and running, and we're good to cast. That's how we do it. And them cast now, we will come back, come make sure all is well. We'll come back when them strip off all of this, take a couple of days and start dress. We'll come back and head sure so no honeycomb no dead, or steel no expose, certain things like those. You know? And then after that we should be up and running, ready for seal, you know? None of properly no burst up. The bamboo there, so I go on to the feet job. And so far so good. So far so good. So in another video, no, not this video, would show when it's the complete dress and polished, you know. In this video now, we're gonna kind of wrap it up, you know, with some rough work, and then we kind of show you guys, you know, the end product in another video. But for now, I think I'm gonna close out the vlog here and start a new vlog. So Team Ismash, I really appreciate your guys' support, comment, everything. You guys asked me 1,002 questions, and I respond to probably 1,000,000 of them and left out 2. And yeah, I really appreciate it. My channel will grow, all will go well, and just keep the ball rolling. And you can look in the description. I want to see one thing called PayPal donation, and you can dust up that thing there if you don't want, you know. So just see up on the side Smash. I'm go buy a beer, man. Yeah, save me some money. Some people say, yo, I'm not going to bother go university, you know, because Smash, it might teach me enough. You can dust up on 2 bills, you know, USD, you know. You know, how much money I save? That's like a $50,000 States University would have charged, you know. I save about, you know, 40,000. I don't know, you know, so Team Smash. Thanks for watching this vlog. And I'll go back up office now, but shell down some work. I'm out.